In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the annotation stamp tool in Foxit Reader. If you're looking to add extra emphasis, clarity, or simply a personal touch to your PDF documents, then learning how to use the annotation stamp tool effectively can be a game changer. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Comment tab. At the top of your Foxit Reader window, you'll see a main toolbar, which plays host to a variety of features. Here, the Comment tab is your gateway to any annotations or feedback you might want to provide. It's conveniently located, making it easy to switch over whenever you need to add notes or symbols to your document. Once you've accessed the Comment tab, you'll dive into the world of stamps by clicking on the Stamp button, which you'll find within the Comment tab's ribbon. This action opens up the compelling Stamps palette. Now, this palette is like your personal toolbox, providing you with a collection of pre-designed stamps that you can apply to your document. These stamps can range from professional-looking approvals to casual and fun designations like "Sign Here" or "Confidential." This array of options makes it incredibly versatile, allowing you to tailor your annotations to suit both workplace environments and personal projects. With the Stamps palette open, your next task is to select a stamp. Browse through the available options until you find one that fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, it's time to head over to the page of your document where you intend to place your selected stamp. By clicking on the page, you'll notice that your cursor transforms to display a preview of the stamp you've chosen. This preview feature is particularly handy, as it allows you to precisely position the stamp right where you want it, ensuring your document looks neat and organized. Now, here's a quick tip. While placing your stamp, make sure you have considered the overall layout and spacing on your page. You want the stamp to be noticeable and to add value without overwhelming the text or other important elements on the document. If you ever need to move the stamp after placing it, Foxit Reader's intuitive interface makes it easy to click and drag to a new spot. This flexibility is one of the many reasons users appreciate the platform. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using the annotation stamp tool in Foxit Reader. Whether you're marking a document for review or just adding a bit of flair, this tool can enhance both your productivity and creativity. Thanks for tuning in today. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.